Very good morning to all of you. All of you switch off your camera and mute your microphones. First, all of you switch off your camera and mute your microphones. Mayuk, from our side here it is no problem. If you are having any problem, please cut the call and then rejoin. Yes, good morning to all of you. Yeah, good morning. So, today I will take your EVS class, and the chapter I was taking, that is All About Me. All About Me. Okay, and we have completed the reading also, and I have given you 8 spellings from here to practice. All of you have practiced all those? Because today I will ask some of the spellings and you need to answer me those through the chat box. You need to answer me those through the chat box. And today I will be doing the exercises part. Open page number 10, all of you. Open page number 10. And you can see some of the exercises over there. You can see here that there are some pictures. A part, you can see here number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Here are some pictures. In number 1, a line of pictures. In number 2, a line of pictures. In number 3, line of pictures. And number 4, line of pictures. And here it is saying that tick the odd one out in each set. Each set means 1, 2, 3, 4. In these 4 sets, from the first one we need to pick a odd one. Okay, so tick the odd one out in each set. Let's do from number 1. I will just write the answer. Okay, in the first one and in the A picture, A, we can see here a girl is singing, right? A girl is singing. In the B picture, a boy is studying, right? We can see that. You can see in the B, a boy is studying. From the C picture, we can see a girl is painting, right? And from the D picture, we can see that a girl is skipping. So from these 4 pictures, can you tell me what is the odd one? Which picture is the odd one? Yes, Nandini, good. Apart from Moyuk, can everyone see me clearly? Let me know. Apart from Moyuk, can everyone see me clearly? If everyone is able to see me clearly, then it is totally Mayuk, your problem, maybe your internet connection problem. Okay, yeah, everyone can see me clearly. So Mayuk, it might be your internet connection problem. Please check that. Who are having a problem, it might be totally your internet connection problem, because from here I can also see myself in my computer. Okay, so here, yes, I can see that all of you are giving answers also. Ushmita, Shohardu, right, Afreen, Nandini, very good. So here, from number 1, the odd picture is B. You can tick that in your book also. You can tick that in your book. So from these 4 pictures, the odd one is the B, that is the boy is studying, right? Now come to the number 2. Here the 4 pictures are first one from 2A picture, that is rose, a rose. B, that is a sunflower. C, that is a leaf, and D, that lotus. So 4 amongst these 4, can you tell me? Yes, very good, Oshmita. Here 2C is the correct, that C is the odd one, because all 3 A, B and D are flowers, but C is a leaf. So that's why, yes, very good. All of you marked it in your book. C is a leaf, so it is an odd one. Now come to number 3. Number 3A picture, that is milk. B picture bread. C picture juice, and D picture tea or coffee. Tea or coffee. Okay. So from here the odd one is what? Yes, I can see that right. Very good. Yeshambika, friend, yes, right. Obhiraj, good. So 3, the odd one picture is B, that is bread. That is bread. Why? Because milk, juice and tea or coffee, that is something to drink, and bread we eat, right? And 4 column from number 4. A is apple, B is a mango, C is banana and D is brinjal. So here, yes, D here is the odd one, because D is brinjal is only a vegetable and apple, mango and banana are fruits. Yes, very good. Very good, all of you, and I can see that all of you are trying to give answers. Very good, all of you. Right. Okay, so A part is done, and the B part you can see there is something you are told to write on your own, that write the name of your best friend and his or her 5 favorite things. So you are told to write the name of your best friend and his or her 5 favorite things. Okay, so I know that all of you have your best friend, so write here. I will not be writing it, because you can write it on your own. You will write the name of your best friend. You can write is like the name of my best friend is, I am just giving you a format. Will I erase the board? All of you have marked it in your book. All of you have marked it. Will I erase the board? Okay. You can write it as, the name of my best friend is, the name of my best friend is, you can write it his or her name, whoever is your best friend, and his or her 5 favorite things. 5 favorite things are, you can write it his whatever, like his dress, his bag, his toys, his or her, whoever is your best friend, you can write some of the lines regarding him or her. Okay, now come to the C part. Answer these questions. These questions are also you can do on your own, because the answers will be on your own. Number 1, what do you like to eat? This answer will be different according to all of you, right? What do you like to eat? Whatever you like to eat, you will just write that. Yes, I know that Trishita likes biryani. Okay, so in this way, all of you have different choices. All of you have different favorite dishes to eat, right? Yes, Nandini, you like healthy food to eat? Very good. So, Prithviraj, fish, Viraj, pasta. Okay, so this is how you will just write. I'm erasing the board. What do you like to eat? I'm just giving you the format that you can write it like, I like to eat whatever your favorite food is. Okay. Number 2, what is your weight and height? What is your weight and height? You can write it like, I'm just giving you the format. Here I'm erasing the number 1 question and I will give you the format. Okay, only this question I'm erasing. Number 2 answer, you can write it like, my weight and height is, my weight and height is, you can write your weight. Yes, everyone is having a different weight, a different height. So I'm not writing the answer. You will write it according to your own. Whatever your height and weight is, you will write it. Okay. In number 3, you can see, write 4 things that you do not like. So here it is saying that write 4 things that you do not like. So you will simply write 4 things according to your own. This answer will be according to your own. Whatever you do not like, you will just write it. Okay. Yeah, you can write it like, I don't like running on the road, or anything you do not like, you can write. Okay. I am not writing these questions. I have just given you some format how you can write the answers. Okay. So now it's spelling time. I have told you that I will ask you some spellings. So can you tell me the spelling of favorite? Can you tell me the spelling of favorite? I want answers from all of you. Yes, Oshmita Bhabak has okay, Oshmita has given me answers. Favorite, Trishita, okay. Umbika, just check a little bit, dear. Oshmita also, Oshmita Bali, check a little bit. Arush, okay. Goirika, okay. Okay. Orgo, just check a little bit. Prithviraj also. Now tell me the spelling different. Now tell me the spelling different, all of you. tell me the spelling friend. Tell me the spelling friend. Friend. Okay, Ushmita Babak, right. Ushmita, friend. Trishita, good. Abhiraj. Grantana, what is it? F. Best friend or favorite? Yes. Nandini, right. Goirika, right. Okay, fine. Okay, so I can see that all of you are practicing. Okay, and all of you, I want that you practice really hard. Okay, and this is how we can see the chapter is also completed. Now all of you, please give your present. Yes, I have seen Granthana, friends Orgo, Shohardo, good. I have seen that all of you are practicing very good. And the chapter is completed even. Now give your present, all of you. Okay. And no one will leave until I finish. Okay, Sunam, Vika, Rajwadu, Srishta, Ashmita, Gauthana, 3, Goika, Orgu, okay, Abhiraj, Anand, Vishwashmita, 4, Nandini, Ayush. Okay. Okay. So I have taken your present. And all of you practice this chapter very well at your home. Okay. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye, all of you. Bye.